How I would invest my first $100 in the stock market. If I lost everything today and had to start over with only $100, this is exactly how I would begin investing again. Not gambling, not chasing hype, not trying to get rich overnight, but building wealth step by step. Because small investments made consistently can become surprisingly powerful over time. Many people believe investing is only for rich people, so they wait. They wait until they have more money, more income, a better job. But waiting often delays financial growth for years. The truth is, learning how to invest matters more than starting big. The first thing I would do is stop thinking like a gambler. The stock market is not a casino. Real investing is about ownership. When you buy quality stocks, you are buying pieces of real businesses. Businesses that generate products, services, profits, and long-term growth. If I only had $100, I would focus first on low-cost index funds. Because index funds spread your money across many companies, this reduces risk and helps beginners avoid emotional investing mistakes. Many successful investors recommend index investing for beginners because of its simplicity and long-term growth potential. $100 alone may not change your life immediately, but consistency can. Investing small amounts every month can compound over time. And compounding is where wealth starts becoming powerful. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. I would avoid hype stocks, emotional trading, fake investment gurus, get-rich-quick promises, because many beginners lose money trying to move too fast. Wealth building usually rewards patience, not panic. While investing my first $100, I would also invest in financial education, learning how markets work, how businesses grow, how investing psychology works, how risk management works. Knowledge protects investors from costly mistakes. The biggest mistake is not starting small. The biggest mistake is never starting at all. Many wealthy investors began with limited money, but they started learning early, stayed consistent, and gave compounding enough time to work. If you had $100 to invest today, what would you invest in? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe if you want to learn stock market investing and wealth building in simple terms. Small beginnings can